Hey, what's happening? Tom Powers here. So just want to talk to you a little bit about Findit.com. A lot of my friends and just business associates ask me about it because full disclosure, I am on the board of directors with it, been involved with it for a while now. So Findit.com, if you look at it today, today's like February 10th, 2019. And if you're curious where I'm at, I'm basically at Roan Mountain, which is right on the border of Tennessee and North Carolina. And it's spectacular up here, basically like the Appalachian Trail. Anyway, so it's out just getting a little hike in, getting, leaner and meaner for 2019 whatever though. Anyway, just real quick, if I can just get like one more minute of your time, maybe two, just to explain the most simplistic value proposition that Findit.com has today, okay? So today, you can create a profile on there, and let's be honest, Findit.com. That's a pretty good domain name. Definitely got some strength. You can look at the Alexa rankings and page authority, pretty decent. Of course, it could be better. Of course, there's better things out there, but it gets better all the time, okay? So creating a profile on Findit.com and just doing one right now post. Understand our right now post is basically our analogy to like a Facebook post or a tweet or a pin on Pinterest or whatever. What's pretty cool about a right now post is it completely indexes. People don't have to log into Findit.com to view content. So it's just completely open to crawl for indexing and stuff like that. So at the very least, just creating a profile page and making sure that's optimized and doing a couple of right now posts, which are then ultra shareable to whatever other platform you want to do, will absolutely create some third-party index points on the internet, linking back to your website. It will give you a decent backlink or two. It'll give you some other third-party content out there about your business, about what your cause, about your band, about your recipe, about your hiking trip, about whatever it might be that you want to do. It's so easy to do and will absolutely deliver you some solid SEO value. So there's a lot of things coming in the future with Findit.com. We're about to release a couple of new smartphone apps. You can check out news about us or whatever. We are a publicly traded company. The ticker symbol's FDIT. It's on OTC right now. Hey, it's a small penny stock. There's plenty of news that we put out there about some new smartphone apps that we're about to release that could be pretty cool. So check that kind of stuff out. But regardless of what the future might hold, and you might imagine that that's a pretty strong domain name, Findit.com, a place on the internet where you can find things. You might see where we can maybe be going with that down the road. So it's an ambitious project, and certainly it's not the most amazing thing today, but it gets better every day. And I'm here to tell you, if you're running a small business, promoting a brand, or you're a super big guru in the SEO world, there's no denying whatsoever that at least doing a couple of posts on our site and optimizing a profile for your business is worth your time to do it. It absolutely has value, and it doesn't cost you a thing. So anyway, thanks for checking out this little video and little quick explanation of what Findit.com is today. And keep in touch. Follow us here. Subscribe to the channel. And, maybe if we can help you out building your brand, promoting your product, or anything like that, give us a call. Our office is in Atlanta. It's like all American people answering the phone, old-fashioned, when you give us a call. Phone number's down below. We've got some great things that we can do for you. Anyway, I've talked long enough, and I've got about 3.5 more miles to hike back today to get back to my car, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. But anyway, have a wonderful day.